Somebody's not winning any awards. Alright, so we arrived at destination number 1, and now it's to the part of finding out whether or not we can even actually hit the trail. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Thank you. So we got to see if we can do the trail, because I mean, I don't mind snow, I don't mind it, but if they don't have it open, then that'll be the first part. We don't even know if anybody's even here, so we're gonna find out. Yeah, basically. So yeah, this will be interesting. So we'll see what's going on. All right, so the update, we we get to the building that we were talking about, and boom. We got the general idea, so it's not open.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control on the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you.
So the mountain is closed and we have to hike on foot somewhere else. So yay. Pivot is the word for this trip thus far.
We can just always cut.
Okay, so you think you're cool.
Come to find out, the first place that we went to
Was not the right place.
was connected to it, but I guess it just used the name a lot for stuff, and it didn't quite work out the way we planned on. So then we find the real place, wasn't too far away. We went to the real place to find out, and since they had snow, as apparent from all this over here, snow melts. Actually,
The roads were ice cream yesterday.
that was funny. A raindrop just
Did it
ice.
fall in your hair?
No, I almost did. Cue the song. No, but yeah, probably. But in this case, we couldn't do that trail either because they have the roads closed, so we couldn't drive up there. And so now we're allowed to be in the park. We just have to park a ways away. So we're going to look and see if we can find any trailheads or just scenery or stuff that's going on, or yeah. So yeah, it's kind of where we are right now. So that's what this video is looking like it's going to be.
Pivot.
Get over there, girl, for that shot. Work that balance. Uh-oh, she done flared the cape out. She done flared the cape out. She about to go. She about to go. I wouldn't hold on to that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Alright. You filming?
I was filming the entire time.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's good enough. Now just make it over here with them.
Right? That's why I grabbed the few.
Now she makes it back across this treacherous snowy path.
Oh, Jesus. These some good boots, though. This is a proper icicle.
Yeah.
What, you want gloves? Gloves?
No.
Grab a bunch of them. Ooh, is that moss?
Yeah, I think it's moss on it. That's why I don't want to grab it.
That's fine. Get that and all the ones next to it. That was lackluster. You did all of that hyping.
Yeah, it didn't shatter quite the way I wanted it to.
I just do like a voiceover. Dramatic music.
All right, so at this point we were walking for a little bit, and we ran into this little section. It's quite beautiful. We got some footage we're gonna add in there
Check it out.
so you can see how it looks. But yeah, it's I can't tell what kind of trees they are because they're all very snow covered. But they have a lot of little branches, and all the little branches have like snow on the top of them, and it's not windy and nothing's been going on, so like they're just sitting there so pretty, and it glistens kind of in the sun. So while we were walking, I didn't even think about it, but apparently somebody took the time to make a snowman. I'm assuming that's what that thing right there, yeah, in that area. I'm looking at backwards.
You
Yeah,
a little lipo.
in that area, yes.
Well,
Yeah.
reconstructive surgery.
Looking at it from the side, it kind of looks like a cartoon character with a bird face.
And you have to
But,
have snacks.
She always has snacks. That's nothing new.
You have snacks? Cool.
So yeah, I have snacks too, but
You eat all yours?
I didn't finish them yet.
I'm over here. I forgot about
But the funny thing about it is, where did I get the snacks from?
your loving, caring wife.
I don't know about all that, but what were you saying about the power lines though?
These power lines are messing up this sacred, beautiful park.
So by power lines, you mean that thing right there?
That's a power line, isn't it?
Yeah, that just is.
We're out here at night.
You feeling the elevation change yet?
Oh, for sure.
Does it feel like you're in a mountain area?
Sure. Breathing out my mouth. My mouth's breathing out.
Yeah.
Still cute though.
Gotta watch out for those mouth breathers.
So cute. We made it. It's so close. We made it.
Somebody's not winning any awards. So, we did it. I guess when we got here, there was quite a few vehicles over there. We're getting back. It's not as many. But, yeah, still a few, but not as many as was already over there.
Ow.
When did you sneak in there, bro?
You said get close.
Oh, but anyway. So when we first got here, it was quite a few cars trying to find a spot to park. But
Now they're gone.
yeah, it's not too many people left out here. And that means that we're about to leave too.
Yep.
Because I don't feel like being out here at nighttime.
It's cold. I'm hungry. It's time to go. Let's go eat.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat. Yeah, we're about to leave, but apparently we got done in time because now they're coming out with the snowplow trucks to, I guess, plow some more.
Like, where were y'all at?
Yeah, I don't even know where they came from. But yeah, it's happening. He's unlocking the gate. They're finally unlocking the gate, so I don't know if we can actually drive up there or if they're literally just bound. I don't know.